Guys, this is a continuation of backfilling in our production building that you can see now. Our shovel is going for the third layer of backfilling in this area. As you can see, the structure is already in progress for erection. That's why also our backfilling is ongoing. As you can see, guys, the shovel is very busy. And this part is the manual backfilling in our administration building. You see, we are using wheelbarrow because there is no equipment allowed to come inside because of the no hub access. So we are going to backfill it by manually by using a wheelbarrow, and our people is doing their job as continuing bringing soil inside and every layer of our slab is a different area. So that's why we are using this kind of backfilling system. And this part is the completing of tank slab that we are using our pump station, that is 45 RC. So you see the pictures as our requirement done. You see guys, the people doing our spot. So this is one. And this is the piling of soil. Month ago, we are going to pile the soil, mixing water, and that's why you can see the backhoe is there, and they are all mixing, removing some big stones. This is a good system and a good way in making our backfilling into the pit. And the continuation of manual backfilling in our utility building. Same people that we are using. We are going to